And guess what time it is? It's time for another radio from Jeff's collection. This is an Emerson model 31-P64 AM and FM 10 transistor. He calls it a coat pocket radio, but this thing is heavy. Oh my gosh. You'll see, if I can get the back off, you'll see why it's so heavy. He got this off of the Facebook Marketplace for $40. It's got seems like it's plastic, but yeah, it's plastic carrying strap. Right here, and it took me a while to find it, there's the band select. Over here we have tuning, volume on off. Over here we have input for AC adapter, and I think that's a headphones jack. Looks kind of small, maybe it's just my eyes. Very good condition. It's got about a 18-inch telescopic antenna for FM. Like I say, it's really clean looking. Easy to tune, nice and smooth tuning. I'm going to hold off taking the back off in case I do something bad. So let's go and listen to the radio and see what we get. We're on, I can't tell, I don't see any markings here. We'll just have to listen and figure out which band we're on. That's FM. So let's extend the antenna. Whoa, throw it back down. Gotta be careful with these antennas, they get kind of stiff. Okay, that's it. Here we got noise now. So many Spanish-speaking stations around here now. That music now.
Your business is ready. Cintas makes sure they have what they need to
good
perform
audio,
their best.
plenty of
Whether
volume.
it's freshly laundered work apparel. That's a study.
Some of the younger people may not even use those.
Well, literally true. Why? Because Massey does what the others don't. She just. I just want to read the book at this point. Yeah, me too. What is the book about? What is the book about? As a Pinkett Smith, whatever you know, it was called Jada, whatever you're doing on your press release this work.
Pick up lots of things. And noise.
That's the anti-Jolene difference. The Tampa Machinery Auction, an online-only event.
There is a spiritual aspect to the
Yep. Yo, wow, it picks up a lot of stations.
waking up at 7:30. It's like, what is it? We're in the middle of March.
Coming Sean, every Thursday.
Okay, that's that band. I think that was FM. Yeah, that was FM. Now we're on AM. Yeah, it's directional. So I'll have to hold it this way. Very directional.
To our Lord. I want to bring in Glenn.
Turn his volume
as
down a
we've
little
been
bit.
talking about this morning. It's day 6 of the war in Israel. What are some of the...
Dino. They're all back on the radio. Part
Man,
of the music
it
of
is
your
picking
life.
up stations. Seriously, this is doing a great job of reception.
Find a needle in a haystack, but
Must be those extra transistor and adding extra stages.
7. Grab the rain gear for tomorrow.
Makes a big difference. See where we are. We're about halfway through.
Preservativo para
Not Devin Tompkins. He's coming through.
This is very, very easy to understand.
Wow.
And that truth being that
That thing really picked up a lot of stations. Now, I'm going to be very extremely careful and see if I can open the back, because it's not easy to open. Make sure it's off. There, it's off. Have to use a screwdriver. Okay, it comes loose real easy, but then it takes a little while, a little effort to get it open. So I got to be careful here. There it comes. There it comes. Oh, there it came. Now, if I can not break off the antenna wire. Let me look at all the electronics. Look at all the various stages here. No wonder the reception is so good. Takes 4 AA batteries. Look at all the transistors. This is really an exceptional old, it's about a 1960 vintage radio. Again, it's 10 transistor, was made by Emerson. Pretty neat. I gotta see if I can find one of these. I am impressed by the reception. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, kick the camera, show's over.